Just wanted to talk to you about how I made $49,000 just by sending an email. I'm making $8,000 just from renting one of my 3-bedroom, 2-bath homes. Here is a check for $25K for first, last months, and deposit. 3 things that I did to make this happen. Just started calling insurance agencies that are local and also national. There's multiple different companies like Farmers Insurance, Progressive, ALE Solutions, any insurance company, and you're going to want to let them know that you are a housing solutions provider specifically for people that are displaced from their properties. I potentially am somebody that has multiple properties in this market, so I can help many people. Number 2, I created a list and sent out emails letting these people know exactly what I do, why I do it, and how I do it. 3, it's all about consistency. Out of sight, out of mind. The more that you send emails, you let them know what's happening, you give them introductions of your property, what they look like, the more that these reps are going to see this happening and see that you're actually doing something on a business level and want to reach out to you even more.